Studying the Bible can be a rewarding journey, and here are some tips to get you started as a beginner. There are many Bible translations available. Consider a thought-for-thought translation. A study Bible can provide helpful commentary and context for the scriptures. Developing a study routine. Aim for 15 minutes a day of consistent reading and reflection. There are different approaches to Bible study. You can start by reading chronologically from Genesis to Revelation, or thematically, focusing on a specific topic like love, forgiveness, etc. Pay attention to the surrounding verses to understand the meaning of a passage. Use a dictionary to understand unfamiliar words, or a concordance to find where a specific word appears in the Bible. Journal your thoughts and questions after reading. Consider how the passage applies to your life. Participating in a Bible study group can provide fellowship and different perspectives on Scripture. Many websites and apps offer Bible study resources, like audio versions or daily reading plans. Don't get discouraged if you don't understand everything right away. Don't hesitate to ask questions of religious leaders, mentors, or fellow Bible study participants. Studying the Bible is a lifelong journey of discovery